Experience driving perfection in the 2013 Ford F-150. This four-door, six-passenger truck has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.